Okay guys, what is up everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video once again. In today's video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin as well as VRA Verasity. Why VRA Verasity? Well, yesterday I did make a video. If you guys haven't seen it or watched it, I did make a video saying that I am buying Verasity right now, and ever since I've been up 40%, guys. I bought it right here. It was at approximately 33. I made the video around right here, and ever since it's been popping, exploding. So we're going to be having a look at that as well, and we're also going to be having a look at the Bitcoin dominance for potential altcoin season, guys. This is very, very important. The 41% level right here. If we break this, we can see an alt season. This is the alt season coin chart right here. So is this alt season? Is it altcoin season yet? No, not yet. We are currently at 37. What needs to happen in order for an altcoin season to happen? We need to be above 75 on the index, and right now we are currently at 37 right now, holding support. So we're gonna have a look at that as well. So before anything, guys, if you guys like my video and my content, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I do daily videos on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and everything else. If you guys haven't looked at my Twitter, this is my Twitter right here. I just made a tweet earlier. I said double bottom. It was 15 minutes ago actually. Double bottom on VRA, W pattern, whatever you guys want to call it, on the 15-minute time frame. My target is 55. Wow, I put 55 cents. That's crazy. 0.055. 5.5 cents. Not financial advice. Veracity. Okay, we are currently at 0.44. That's when I tweeted. If I look back right here and I go back to Veracity, we are right now at 0.046. So we are up approximately 3%. 2.5% since that tweet. If you are using 2x 3x leverage, that is fantastic. You are up at least 7 to 8%. So feel free to give me a follow, guys. Let's dive into the chart, starting off with Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame. Let's have a look on the daily time frame real quick. Okay, the number one thing before I go into Veracity, I'm not going to dive into too much into Bitcoin, but we are right now we are in a bullish divergence right now, okay, and we are right here at the 30. We are at the $30 or 30 RSI index level, and as you guys know, anytime this thing drops down to 30, it is oversold, and we're gonna be looking for buyers. And this is exactly what happened. People are buying the dip, guys. People are buying this dip. People want to buy it. Another thing I want to have a look at is the volume profile. Okay, let me collapse this real quick. The volume profile is a very, very important indicator in my opinion. Wow, that was volume based, sorry. Volume profile, it is not here. Let's have a look. Visible range. For those of you guys who don't know what volume profile is, it essentially tells you how much volume was traded in that specific time frame. I mean, not time frame, price range. Usually the volume profile indicates the volume right here. I mean, it essentially indicates how much money was traded in that specific time, but this does not do that. If we have a look, ever since I believe it was right here, sorry guys, sorry, my mistake. Yeah, so right here, this is where the volume profile is on the, okay, perfect. This is where I wanted to see. I was trying to get it since July, since we flew up essentially. This is when we started going up. Sorry, this was a little bit confusing, but essentially this is when we started going up, the 20th of July, and ever since we saw that the strongest area or the strongest point was at 47,000. This is where we saw the bounce, guys. This is where we saw the bounce on Bitcoin. This is when the trend line started right here. So as we know, the trend is your friend until it bends. Yes, we did peak all the way down, but guess what? We got rejected by the support level. So things are looking fantastic right now for Bitcoin, okay? This is the POV level, point of control. Now, if I zoom out real quick, okay, we do have a support right here on the volume profile. As you guys can see, this is the strongest. The POV, the point of control, POC, sorry. The point of control level is where the volume has mostly been traded at that price. Okay, so it's currently 57,000. The second would be right here at 48,000, and the third would be essentially around this region right here at 35,000. Okay, so we got rejected exactly at this area, which is fantastic. Okay, nothing too crazy. Let's dive into the Bitcoin dominance real quick, because the Bitcoin dominance does indicate if we're in alt season or not. So we took away the charts, the Twitter. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance real quick. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is doing a W pattern. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what a W pattern is, it is something like this. But guess what? This was a fail and we came back down, okay? So can essentially this be an M pattern? As we know, an M pattern is actually bullish, I mean bearish. If I take this right here and I put it all the way down, our target can be 34. So we can have a massive alt season coming. This can bring Verasity, Crow, all these altcoins to the moon, in my opinion. So let's dive into Verasity real quick and see what's up. Another thing that indicates Verasity that was a good buy, none of this is financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence, is that we peaked all the way at the bottom and we also on a bearish bullish divergence right here. As you guys can see, this is the nice little bullish divergence we have. Boom, higher lows, lower lows. Boom, on the RSI, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, sorry, on the chart. That is a bullish divergence. That is good, that is bullish, that is fantastic. This is exactly what we want to see. Another thing is we peaked at 30. As we know, guys, as I say in my videos, anything at 30 on the daily is oversold, and we're going to be looking for buyers to roll in. I want to have a look at the shorter time frames real quick. Let's zoom out. Let me collapse this real quick. Another thing I want to have a look at is this W pattern we have right now, okay? Now, I did say in my tweet, I said 55 cents. That was a mistake. I mean, even though it will go to 55 cents, I don't think it's going to go now. My target for that, if I take this right here and I put it to the neckline, assuming that this is the breakout, okay, right here, something like that, it is 52. I think we're gonna go to 55 because that's when the next resistance is. If I have a look on the 4-hour time frame, this is where our resistance, 53, 54, 55, around this region. So I think we're gonna be exploding a little bit more and higher than that. Guys, Verasity is exploding, Bitcoin's exploding, this market's recovering, as I said in my Twitter yesterday. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.